So how to register your EBI DEX deposit for Hamster Combat. So this is what it tells us to do. EBI register, you click on register, EBI.xy. Okay, so sign in. Okay, so to launch this web app, you will connect to its website, allow hot wallet to send me messages. Okay, so hot wallet. Okay, I think that is done. So let's check again. Let's go with Trust Wallet. Okay, so for Trust Wallet, connection declined. Okay, let's check. Okay, let's try again. Binance, connection decline. Okay, okay. So what we do now is to go back to the options. Okay, I also have a MetaMask. Let's try MetaMask. Connection declined as well. I have a MetaMask. So when we say sign in, hot wallet, Telegram. Okay, so this is the information we need. So I'll just take time to get my information here. So it's asking me to approve. Sign message, welcome to EBI. Click to sign and onboard your wallet for trading perpetuals. This request will not trigger a blockchain transaction or cost any gas fee. This signature only proves you are the true owner of this wallet. By signing this message, you agree to the terms and conditions of the exchange. Approve. It's a very simple process. So let's just follow the steps and see where it leads us. Okay, so you can see now this is active. So you can go to account. Okay, you can go to deposit. You can go to withdraw, start withdraw, claim to wallet. Okay, deposit. Okay, so now let's come back to this place. Okay, all right. Okay, So we are claiming that. So auth itself is like a token. So it's also a good one. So in storage, hot balance, check news. Okay. You say all these activities are kind of linked together. So let's see what we can make out of this hot wallet. Now I'm checking out of this place. So back to Hamster. Okay. So just to get our EBI ID. So this is 1614442. That's just it. So we work on that now. All right, so let's copy the code. So this is our code. This is